range of products, from massive excavators to portable devices and small medical products, engineers must deliver designs with higher quality, innovative features, and best-in-class performance faster than ever before. Dassault Systèmes Simulia's structural engineer role was created to support engineers in their product development journey, offering a unique and robust virtual testing environment for structural and thermal simulations. Using the structural engineer role, design engineers gain the technical insight they need at the right time to make informed technical decisions. With this role, design engineers can evaluate the structural performance of complex geometry while designing it, compare ideas efficiently for informed what-if design studies with full integration of design and simulation workflows, adopt virtual testing easily with an intuitive guided workflow that includes modeling, meshing, scenario setup, and results investigation. Assess the performance of large assemblies easily with intuitive contact detection and definition. Review structural KPIs, even on very large models, with powerful post-processing capabilities. Best of all, Structural Engineer provides all the benefits of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform for a unique product design journey, including seamless collaboration with other engineers and departments, the ability to efficiently share engineering KPIs and targets on dashboards with stakeholders, a unique engineering environment, enabling best-in-class project creation and review for the right technical and business decisions. With Simulia's structural engineer role, design engineers' creativity is unleashed for an innovative engineering experience. All design engineers are now empowered to leverage virtual structural performance assessments to develop best-in-class products.